Good evening, everybody. This is Miss Hill. Today I'm going to go over mode, the mode in a data set, okay? The mode is the number that appears most often in a data set, okay? I have a data set. The first thing I'm going to do always when we have a data set is put our numbers in order from least to greatest. We're going to put our numbers in order from least to greatest, okay? Let's go ahead and start that. So we're going to find our smallest number. So we're going from smallest to largest. I see 3. And one thing you have to make sure, especially in this data set, is that we make sure we X out our data and then count and make sure we have the correct amount of data, the correct amount of numbers from our original data set when we put our numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay? Are we ready? 3. Let's see if we have another one. I have another 3. Okay, I'm out of 3s. I have 5. I have another 5. Erase that. And I have another 5. Okay, we're coming along. I have a 9, 11, 7, 9, 6. I have a 7. I have a 9. I have another 9. Put it right here. And I have an 11. Okay? Now, we X them all out. Let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In my original data set, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In my data set that's ordered from least to greatest. Now, in order to find the mode, we're looking for the number that appears the most. Okay? So, let's look over at our 3s. Now I have 2 3s. I have 3 5s. I have 1 6, 1 7, 2 9s, and 1 11. Now, which number appears the most in this data set? Which one do I see most often? I see 5. So my mode is going to be 5. Get it? All right, let's do another one just to be clear, just to make sure you guys are really getting it, okay? I'm going to erase this. So if you need to go back and check again, just rewind. Remember, the mode is the number that appears the most. The mode is the number that appears the most. Okay? Let's go and do this one. I have 58. Write this down so you can have something to model by or something to look at when you're doing your assignment, okay? I have 72. 64. I have 56. 58. 72, 58, and 80. Okay, make sure you write those down. And I hope you guys can see it. I know it's the glare is kind of bright in the room today. So now, next step, we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. Make sure you put those in order from least to greatest, okay? So let's find our smallest number. Okay, I have 58, 72. Do I have anything less than 58? Right here. I have 56. So right here. I have 58. I have another 58. And I have another 58. Okay. Do I have anything else? I have 64. I have 72. I have another 72. And I have an 80. Okay. My next step is to count and make sure I have the same amount of numbers in my original data set that I have in my data set that I've ordered from least to greatest. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 numbers, okay? Now, my next step I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my frequency of how many numbers I have. I have 1, 56. I have 2, 1, 2, 3, 58. I have 1, 64. I have 2, 72s. And I have 1, 80. So, which number appears the most? It is 58. So my mode is 58. Okay? Looks like a 50. 58. Okay? So now, I'm going to set you guys free and let you do some on your own. I gave you guys a quizzy on Google Quiz so you guys can be able to solve your own problems. But make sure, on a separate piece of paper before you start marking A, B, C, or D, I want you to make sure on a separate piece of paper you write your numbers down, order them from least to greatest, and circle the ones that have the highest frequency that you see the most, okay? The mode is the number that appears the most. The mode is the number that appears the most. The mode is the number that appears the most. Always remember that, okay? The mode is the number that appears the most. So the 58 appears the most, that's the mode. All right, guys. I hope you do well. If you need any extra help, just make sure you call me, text me, dojo me anytime. Thank you. Bye-bye.